Welcome. I am here to help troubleshoot some problems you must be facing at home. There can be several issues that could cause an attic fan not to work properly. Let's take a brief overview on what issues your attic fan must be facing and how to fix some of those issues. An attic fan that won't turn on is usually an electrical problem, but it can also be an issue with the fan motor or the thermostat. First, check the circuit breaker that controls the attic fan. If the fuse has blown, you can replace the fuse or reset the circuit breaker, but if the circuit breaker or fuse are working properly, check the thermostat next by manually turning the fan on and off. If the fan turns on, this is an indication there is a problem with the fan thermostat. If there is an attic fan humming noise, this could very well be the problem. If the fan motor is running, but the fan blades aren't moving, this is usually a belt issue. Remove the fan's outer casing and inspect the belt for issues. This can also be fixed by replacing the belt. If you have the fan on high, but it is struggling, this is often an intake problem. Check for any debris that has gotten sucked in and stuck in the intake and make certain the fan is securely attached to the roof. If the fan has a humming noise while running on the high setting, lowering the setting will often take care of that. If the attic fan is missing blades, replacing them can eliminate that hum as well. When an attic fan isn't getting enough air, it sometimes will begin to rattle or shake. Make sure the attic windows are open and have the proper distance from the attic fan so there is an airflow for the attic fan to pull in. If you have a burning smell coming from the exhaust, it is usually the fan motor. Greasing the motor gears or replacing the belt will fix this, but if the smell is still there, replacing the motor is the next solution. If the attic fan won't turn off, raise the thermostat setting up or check the power source to make sure it has been wired correctly. If you cannot seem to pinpoint the problem affecting your attic fan, Liberty HomeGuard can help provide you with the right home warranty to fix that. For more information, visit our website.